What's good, everybody? What's good? So, again with a rebuild. Trying to see if I can get the Steelers and Ben Roethlisberger and obviously Antonio Brown and Le'Veon Bell. Their first Super Bowl, not obviously Big Ben. So right now I'm just destroying the Patriots right now, 35-7. And yes, with a healthy, I think everybody was healthy on the Patriots. For some odd reason, they had home field advantage, but we didn't. They finished 9-7, and we finished 11-5. But obviously, Julian Edelman was placed in IR, and Michael Williams, who's like, for the life of me, he's always getting hurt. I don't know what it is about these Alabama players. Like, they constantly getting hurt. If it's not Trent Richardson, it's Michael Williams. The only person I would probably say out of Alabama that didn't really necessarily get hurt like that was Julio Jones. He was very durable in his career. But other than that, boy, Landon Collins is another one. Boy, that boy could have been. I mean, he had a pretty good rookie year outside of that, but yeah, it looks like we're probably going to, and we don't even have to pass, just, run the ball. Damn, I should have juked him. Followed flat. That's fine. Yeah, and 2 touchdowns, 81 yards, not bad. Alright, so I'm going to light kick this one, because I don't like touchbacks. Should have kicked a little bit higher, a tad bit higher. Alright, so let's see what they're going to do. Hopefully in that game we get home court advantage. That's crazy. We were supposed to get home court advantage, but it is what it is. And it is caught. Touchdown. Garbage touchdown by the Patriots. I was trying to trade AB, but it was giving me like a lot of second round picks. Not really first. I guess because he's like 28 years old. So they're probably going to onside kick it. Legal touching. Thank you very much. Alright, so everybody's healthy for us. That's pretty good. Ah, come on. You could have bent the corner. Number 53 is not that fast. But it is what it is. I don't give a fuck. Alright, so we're gonna win 35-14. I'm not gonna run another play. I'm just gonna make I'm just gonna let the clock run down in case, he fumbles it. So yeah, I'm not gonna run. I might as well just run it. Fuck it. Alright, so obviously he could have finished the 92 yards or whatever. We're back for another day. We win. surprisingly, we beat the Patriots because usually the Patriots that was beating our is always beating us. So yeah, that's not Bill Belichick. I think the last time Bill Belichick was on a Madden game was Madden what? Not Madden 05, Madden 04. One of those Maddens. He was. I think yeah. I think that was like. I think that was the last. Wow, 3 touchdowns, 73% completion, 244. And he did this on the road. So imagine if we at home. That he'll probably throw like 5 touchdowns, but. Was that Tom Brady? Son number 15. Oh, that was Tom Brady. Okay. Two touchdowns, 1 interception. Okay. Le'Veon Bell, 80 yards. Marquise Bryant, Antonio Brown, 84 yards. Same number as his jersey. No touchdowns. 2 touchdowns to my tight end. 1 touchdown to my. Wow, he went to Clemson. Oh. All right. So we beat the Patriots. Let's see who we have next. Probably, probably the Bengals, because the Bengals started off the season 8-0. So maybe we have them next. Alright, let's see who we have. I was this close of trading Brown too. I was like, the offers wasn't really much. Like the Broncos wanted. The Broncos traded us the 5th and 6th round in the left tackle. Wow, so he's facing the Chargers. Let me guess, you're going to be on the road for this one, huh? Yep. Same overall, 85. Let's see if we can beat this team. They're not the San Diego Chargers no more. Or are they? San Diego Chargers. LA Chargers. I guess there was just too many sport teams in LA. I can see why. Like St. Louis Rams didn't really deserve to be moved. But I mean, most cities don't necessarily need a sports town. You know. All right, let's get it. Let's see if we can beat this juggernaut of a team. I'll take over like in the fourth quarter. Who's ever up in the fourth quarter, I'll take over. So it looks like the Steelers are just steamrolling through the competition right now. I made no adjustments, by the way. I made no trades, no nothing. All right, they're getting there. They're climbing back up a little bit. But we should beat this team. Can I deliver a championship to the 3Bs? This team was supposed to win the Super Bowl on paper. Come on. That was a terrible. They almost been blocking this game for real. I mean, they do block, but it's like patty cake block. You know what I'm saying? Like they don't necessarily. I don't know, man. I'll wait till the 2-minute warning. Alright, so if I could get this first down, this game is basically over. They would need a touchdown, or they would need a ball back. Yeah, I could, because right now, they already, never mind. Let me see if I can. No, oh, God, that was almost picked. He almost got me, number 99. Is that Bosa? I'm going to go for it. I do not feel like giving the ball back, to be honest. Alright, let's see who gets it. Brown. Brian, I don't want you doing the same route as Brown. I want him to do a slant. Bell, come across. Act like you're going in motion. Right there. No. God. Buddy was wide open. It's all good, though. It's all good in the neighborhood. Alright, so let's see if our defense can take over. Our defense is not the best, obviously. We're middle in the pack of both offense and defense. So it's not like, we have a number 1 or number 2 ranked, whatever. But we'll survive, I guess. Oh, he could have picked that off. He didn't drop down the field. All these little dinking dunks of these short runs and these short passes. Just as I say that, they freaking sling it down the field. They wasted their own time. Come on. Wow, they're not using their timeouts, son. Flag, that's on me. Flag, incomplete pass. Damn it. I wanted to use my timeout, but I just said, you know what? Even if they do Dupree, it's fine. Oliver. Oh, good stuff. Now they're going to have to use their timeouts. Oh, still no. Wow. Convincing. No good. Alright, so we pretty much won this. Don't blitz. Yeah, just do cover press. Yeah, come on. I'll take a timeout if you don't want to take a timeout. Alright, so we're going to do a quarterback spy. Come on. No, that's incomplete. That was a touchdown. Yes, booth review. That was incomplete. If this stands, we take over. Did he get 2 feet in bounds? Ooh, that left knee. I don't know. Yeah, I think he got it. Let me see what they say. Yeah, it stands. It's upheld. Great catch. So it looks like they're gonna have to onside kick it. And look, they did not even use their timeout. So they're gonna onside kick it. I'm very well prepared. I'm gonna go with Brian. I think they're gonna go to Brian. Oh, I thought I was gonna run. I thought I was going to burst out of there for a second. A little short touchdown. All right, so they did not use any of their timeouts. So it looks like all I gotta do is just get in the field goal range, and then kick it, and then probably go back, give it back to them. So I don't want to run too much because Le'Veon Bell probably has the jitterbugs of fumbling and stuff like that. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to trap run, set this left tackle right here, go around. They still have Manti. Dude, I remember that dude had that dude's story was very funny, having a fake girlfriend. Oh man, whatever happened to that guy? Manti. Alright, so I don't really necessarily need to pick up the first down. But if I do, yes. I could have taken that to the house, but me and my Saquon Barkley run. I'm always bouncing out to the outside. To the outside. To the outside. Nick Bosa. We could have used a Nick Bosa on our team. That would have probably been sick. I know his brother plays for the 49ers. Alright, so we're gonna burn the timeout and kick a field goal. So we don't need this game, boss. We don't need this game, boss. Gun line, boss. Remember the gun line? We don't need this fence here, boss. Oh, he missed. Oh, 7 seconds left. Oh my. How you missed that? Oh well, Ghostin. Wait a minute. Don't Ghostin play for us now in real life? Well, they don't got no timeouts for 7 seconds, so I don't think it's going to be a deep Hail Mary. And it probably will be, but it's picked out. Because we the killer bees. Killer bees, mind your beeswax. I'm not a Steelers fan, by the way, but I'm just saying. Who's that number 27? Was that Frank Clark or Clark Frank or whatever his name is? So we're moving on to the Super Bowl, I believe. Wow, because we already played like 2 games already. And we're doing this all on the road. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Crazy, huh? Crazy. Crazy, huh? Crazy. I'm trying to get this lady out of my... Who Daisy? William Gay. William Gay. I'm not really... Oh, my... I hate when we can sit in my arm for that long. Yeah, that was a nice catch, I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, we're moving on. We're moving on the ship. Uh, I'm not gonna lie, Madden 17 does suck. um, that's why, I think late Madden games is better. You know, like I think Madden 11 is way better than Madden 17 because of its mechanics. Divisional championship. KC, look at that. They went 8-8, and they somehow made the playoffs. That's wild. It's 8-18 months. So we're 11th, as you can see. We're not the greatest. We're we're ranked 12th on defense. We were ranked 11th on offense. But they have the sixth. No, they have the fourth best defense, and they have the 14th ranked offense. But they finished 8-8, while we finished 11-5. How does that make sense? And how y'all Steelers lose to the Broncos? So we have no injuries whatsoever. The Chiefs, they have Josh that's out, but he's a middle linebacker, so I don't think he's going to be that great of a loss. We're finally home. It took how many games? Two? It took 2 games for us to be at home again? That's crazy. And watch we lose to an 8th seed. I don't know what seed the Chiefs are, but I'm pretty sure they're low. Because being a number 8 seed and being 8-8, so let's see if we can win this, man. This loading crap. Loading. Oh look, it's frozen. Heinz Field. I wonder why they call it Heinz Field. I think they called it after Heinz Ward or whatever. I don't know if that's a real person. I mean, I know Heinz Ward is a real person, but Heinz Field, probably. Alright, let's go, let's get it. This is way before Patrick Mahomes. And that was one of Ben Roethlisberger, and I don't know if he was still there at the time. So we should make quick work of this team. Nobody scored. Just back and forth. Okay, we scored a field goal, scored a touchdown. We should be going to the championship. Speak of the devil. Alright, so let me see. Should we go for this? I think I'm gonna go for this. As you can see, I'm playing. This is not computer on computer. I'm gonna mute her. This is not a computer. Bell, I want you to go beep. Oh, Antonio Brown. Make a front, upside down, turn it around. Yeah, I couldn't give them the ball back, man. With 4 minutes left, we're just trying to milk this clock for all it's worth. Look at Alex Smith. That man had that job way too long. It took a Patrick Mahomes to come in here and take the ball game away from him. Alright. So we got nobody injured. That's just pretty good. Oh, wow, that could have been picked. Whoa. They still have, that defense is, they still have Houston and Eric Berry and Dante Poe. I mean, Jesus. The weapons that this defense has. Bombs away. Alright, no huddle offense, no huddle offense. I'm gonna do it again, I'm gonna do it again. I'm gonna do it again, I'm gonna do it again. Probably not. Let's see. I'm gonna do it again. Touchdown, let's get it. Where are you going? Where are you, Lance? Where are you going? It doesn't matter if the sunshine rains. It doesn't matter if you take away my pain. I'ma do it again. I'ma do it again. Bam, 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 bam. I'ma do it again. I'ma do it again. Cause I got some friends. Why you want me to go for two? But then again, I can see why. Still a lot of time left on the clock. Alright, so let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. That's good. And yes, it's all Madden. I don't play all rookie. I play all pro. You know what I mean? I go small like Joe. Putting a boat. Born and gray. Who will I be facing in the NFC? I'm so bad, it's not even me. Who will I be facing in the NFC? I'm so glad it's not even really me. Cause if P Diddy get me in these parties, I'm probably see what everybody be talking about. G. Oh. I really don't know. I really don't know who the receivers that they had that time. I think they still had a Bo. Is that Mike Williams from the nope, incomplete. From the Bucks. Cause I remember there was a few Mike Williams around early 2000s. Hayward. Oh wow, way busted coverage. Busted coverage, my behind. See what happens when you listen to your principals? You get suspended. Get it? Principal suspension? No, man. Mike Williams burnt me. Alright, calm down, calm down. It's only one possession game now. So I'm pretty sure they're gonna onside kick this. Cause if I kick the ball, I'm gonna milk it. I'm gonna milk it. I'm gonna make all y'all use your timeouts and I'm gonna milk it. Milk it. 95 yards, first reception. So you didn't get the ball that much, but yak, yak. That was yak. Yards at the catch. My name is Yak. I put the scissors on my back. Oh, I could have kept on running. I'm always doing this to myself. Yeah. I'm always doing it to myself. Oh, look at that, 213, my date of birth. It's always stopping for every time I play Madden. That shit is always stopping at 213 for some odd reason. I don't know if it's a sign. Whatever, but 213. I was supposed to be born on Valentine's Day. But, you know, it is what it is. Alright, 2-minute warning. 2-minute warning. I don't know how long this video. Wow, 29 minutes ends. Because if I had done this on my phone is obviously out of date, and I need to upgrade. But for some odd reason, if I record for too long, it stops in the middle of the record, saying that I have too much storage. Oh, I thought he was gonna break out of a tackle. Alright, I gotta get this first down. Gotta get this first down by any means. Cannot pump this ball. Unless I could just, let me see. Follow. No, couldn't do it. Alright, so it looks like this probably will be a tie ball game. Wow, they still got one timeout left. You know what? This is for all the marbles. I can't. Antonio Brown, make me smile, man. Make me smile. Make me effing smile. Let's get it. Game over. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Yeah, this team should have won the Super Bowl. I don't know what the NFL was smoking. I mean, I know y'all want to put, their trouble issues out on Jump Street, but damn, they still have Houston. You know how old Houston is? Man, the fact that Mahomes had this defense, oh my gosh, it would have been scary. Like, look at the dudes that they still have on his team. Like, y'all people don't understand how good these people are, was, I should say. Defense, I don't remember Philip games, but Derek Johnson out of Texas, beast, Hall of Famer. Justin Houston, beast, Hall of Famer. Marcus Cooper was a good cornerback. Eric Berry was a good cornerback. I mean, free safety and cornerback. Akamba Ali, Penn State, very good. Like, come on, man. That's Stevie Brown. That's Chris Cooley. I mean, this team was loaded. And then check out their offense as well. Jeremy Maclin, Mike Williams. Had a very young, had a young Travis Kelce who was in his third year. Had a very good running game in Jamal Charles. Jeremy Maclin was pretty good. Come on, man. Man. I mean, I'm not saying that the defenses that Patrick Mahomes had was terrible. I thought of that one Super Bowl versus the first time they beat the 49ers. Like, Patrick Mahomes had to be too unexperienced quarterback, but he couldn't beat Tom Brady. Alright, so I'm pretty much thinking that I'm probably going to face the Eagles. I don't know who yet. Yeah, that's pretty much it. I'm done running the ball. I'm just going to kick it. If I miss, I miss. I really couldn't care less. What is this? A 50-yard field goal. Wow. Let's see if I can make this. 50 yards. Wow. How you miss a 50-yard field goal? Oh, God. This is deja vu all over again. This is exactly what I did last game. But obviously, my defense did come through. We only have 6 seconds left, so this is how you should really play Madden. Give the computer less time to say. There ain't no way that they can score in 6 seconds. Let's say bomb it real deep. No, one more chance. You should wait until they all get into the end zone and then do it. Don't wait until, they're halfway there. You know what I'm saying? Like make sure they all go to the end zone. There it goes. And it's picked off. Oh man. Cock round. There you go. So we going to the Super Bowl. So I'm pretty sure it's gonna be the Eagles. If it's not the Eagles, then it's I don't know, Cowboys, Seahawks, Packers, whoever's coming out the East. It doesn't really matter because I'm getting that chip from my boys in the B. Alright, I don't care. Alright, so let's get it. Can we win the Super Bowl in our first try? Now again, I didn't do any trades. I didn't do any. I mean, I was thinking about trading AB, but I said, you know what? The picks that the return that I got wasn't good. Almost everybody wanted a second round pick, and I don't think AB is worth a second round pick. I think he's worth a first round, but you know, it is what it is. So we will head to the Super Bowl with everybody injured, or everybody healthy, I should say. So it has to be the Eagles, Packers, the Seahawks, probably the Rams. So who's going to Super Bowl, whatever this Super Bowl was? I think Super Bowl 50, I believe. Yeah, I think it's Super Bowl 50 because Peyton Manning had just retired. So Seahawks, like I said, Seahawks. All right, so we're both 11-5. Seahawks have the 9th ranked best defense. I mean offense. They have their, so we're kind of neck and neck, kind of. Let me see if they have any injuries. Wow, how in the heck the Bengals went 15-1. They didn't even sniff. I think they probably lost. Okay, so we got a few injuries. Patrick Willis, Patrick Lewis, he's out. So everybody's on the IR technically because this is obviously the last game. Thomas Rawlster, your starting running back, is out. Tyler Lockett is out. Wow. CJ Prosley is out. So they down 2 running backs, one running back, one center. Yeah, wow. And then we're healthy as a horse. Nobody's injured. So yeah. And as you can see, it's on Madden. Let me see if I can. Sliders, team settings. I'm just gonna show y'all. It's all Madden. Like I said, all Madden. Right there. All right. So let's see who won the awards. I haven't really checked out the awards. Yearly awards. Let's get it. I'm gonna see if I can win Larry Fitzgerald championship. Alright, so offensive player of the year goes to Le'Veon Bell. Okay. Big Ben is 4th. Okay. Defensive player of the year, I don't think we're gonna get anybody. Okay, we got Lawrence Timmons. Okay, that's crazy. Bengals went 15-1 and didn't even sniff. Who did they lose to? They went 15-1, and see, it's like what I say, man. Like, yeah, these teams need to stop being perfect and shit. Nobody on that offensive rookie of the year. Bud Dupree. Okay. Best quarterback. Ben Roethlisberger came in fourth. Best running back, Le'Veon Bell, obviously. Do we have any? No? Okay. Best receiver, Antonio Brown was seventh. Okay. Best O-line. Okay, we got David DeCastro. Okay. And then we got another one, Marcus Pouncey. Okay, best D-line. Nobody. Okay. Best linebacker. Nobody. Okay. Oh. Who remembered Vontez Burfict, the guy who put the lick on AD? Yep, that's him right there. Vontez Burfict. Boy, that man was responsible for ABCTE. Allegedly. Best cornerback, nobody. But they got my twin though, Atib Khalid. My twin, 213. Best kicker, nobody. Okay, so not bad. I don't really care about that. I'm not a stat guy. Alright, so let's get it. Let's see who can win Super Bowl. This would probably technically be Super Bowl 51. And we're on the road, just as expected. They give us one home game, and then we're back on the road, which is fine. I mean, we've been battle tested on the road anyway, so doesn't really matter. Doesn't really matter. We're winning this first try. If y'all want part two, just let me know in the comment section down below. I will save this after I'm done. And if y'all want part two is, yeah, if y'all want part two, just let me know in the comments down below. And I'll probably do a part two Saturday or Friday. Bro, this chick didn't text me back, bro. This chick be bugging. This chick be bugging and I don't know if I'm her cousin. Alright man, let's get it. Obviously, they're dealing with a bunch of injuries, so like I said, I'm going to take over the fourth quarter. Hopefully we can, oh my god, this is not looking good. We're down 17 to not, come on, don't, oh my gosh, you're kidding me. You're kidding me. We did this just to get blown out in the Super Bowl. We did this just to get blown out in the Super Bowl. Anyways, man, part two is coming still. Yeah, I want part two, just let me know. But we did this just to get blown out in the Super Bowl. That's. You know what? We're not doing this. No. We're not doing this. I want a clean, close game. I don't want no blowout, no Super Bowl, no nothing. Like, what the heck is this? What the heck is this? Come on, man. Come on. I can work with losing in a close game. If it's 17 to 13 or 17 to 14 or 16 or 17, I understand that. But you're not gonna get, you're not blowing me out in the Super Bowl. There's only been one blowout in the Super Bowl, and that was with the Denver Nuggets and the Broncos. I forgot what Super Bowl was. But yeah, they got their butts kicked in bad. I just did it. I just did it because I don't want to blow up. You know, if we lose a close one, then that's fine. You know, I'd rather lose close than losing by freaking 30. You know what I'm saying? Like, we're not doing this. Just give me a close Super Bowl. That's all I ask. See? How hard can that be? Okay, I'm cool with this. I'm cool with this. We're down by what? 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23. We're probably down by 9 points. If my math is wrong, my bad. Alright, so Big Ben. Oh, almost picked off. Alright, I need to stretch this film. If I'm this, oh god, they still have the Legion of Boom. No wonder. No wonder they were scoring all them points. I didn't even check out Big Ben's stats, to be honest with you. Let's get it. Ah, took too long. What the heck am I doing, man? Wake up, wake up. Wake the F up. Okay, if one of these quarterbacks can creep up, nope, that's not going to happen. I'm going to have to take it down the field and it's picked. Alright, I can accept this. I can accept this. I'm not playing. I'm only playing offense. It's not that I'm bad on defense. It's just, you know. Yeah. Okay. So, even if we do score, onside kick, the possibility of that is slim to none. So, yeah, we did that all just to lose to the Super Bowl. That's fitting. That's fitting. That's fitting. And it's picked off. Alright, that's good. Ben Roethlisberger had a stinker before against the Packers, where he threw like 3 interceptions. Alright, it's over, it's over. Alright, so part 2, if y'all want part 2, just let me know in the comment section down below. This game is basically over and they already scored again. So yeah, so we did all that just to lose in the Super Bowl. I'm thinking that this is going to be our year. We were battle tested on the road too many times. We have one home game and we go on to the Super Bowl just to lose. It's a very good defense, obviously, by the Legion of Boom. But yeah, this off season I'm probably going to try to fix this defense. Actually, this offense, I should say. I think most part the offense actually helped us in this game. But yeah, obviously, who gets Super Bowl MVP? Man, who is this? John Elway. Okay, they have somebody different each Super Bowl because usually it's Jerry Rice. Wow, he was inducted in the Hall of Fame in 2004. I thought that was facial research. They don't necessarily tell you who's Super Bowl MVP. Alright, that's it. Yeah, they don't necessarily tell you who's MVP, which is dumb. Usually they should, you know, tell you in the bottom. But yeah, if y'all want part 2, just let me know, and I will do part 2. I will save this, obviously. And yeah. But I get to keep my job for another year, that's for sure. So let me see. Yeah, so yeah.